This brand is a part of Johnson Controls and the units are made in America, but they are only available through their dealer network in the USA and Canada. The units use slotted metal panels for condenser coil protection, which is cheaper but less effective than louvered panel construction. They have coated external metal fasteners and a powder coat finish to keep the units looking good for many years. They use high-efficiency microchannel aluminum coils so that they have a relatively small footprint and the units weigh less. The YCE models are a part of their LX series featuring basic units with a 16 SEER efficiency rating, but they are relatively loud with a sound rating roughly equivalent to a busy restaurant. The Affinity Series YXT models are premium units with a swept-wing fan blade, composite base pan, compressor blanket, and 2-speed compressor operation to reduce sound levels to that of an adult conversation. They have a factory-installed filter dryer to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture and a climate set feature that allows the installing contractor to fine-tune the system's operation based on the climate at the installed location. The YZV models are their entry in the ultimate category, and their charge assurance feature allows the contractor to quickly and accurately install and charge the air conditioner. All of the matching indoor coils use state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves to control refrigerant flow, and the units are backed by a very good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. In low speeds, the YXV models are very quiet with a sound level like that of the hum from a refrigerator. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.